Hello everyone and welcome to our video on how to stop looking older. Aging is inevitable, but looking older than your age isn't. In this video, we will share some tips and tricks to help you prevent premature aging and look younger for longer. Body. Protect your skin from the sun. Sun damage is the #1 cause of premature aging. Always apply sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher and wear protective clothing like hats and sunglasses when you're outside. Quit smoking. Smoking is not only bad for your health, but it also speeds up the aging process. Smoking causes wrinkles, dull skin, and other signs of aging. Quitting smoking can help you look younger and improve your overall health. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can cause dark circles, bags under your eyes, and a tired-looking complexion. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night to help your skin regenerate and look more youthful. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is essential for healthy, glowing skin. Dehydration can make your skin look dull and dry, which can make you appear older. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses of water a day to keep your skin hydrated and healthy. Eat a healthy diet. Eating a healthy diet full of fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins can help keep your skin looking young and vibrant. Avoid processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats, which can cause inflammation and accelerate aging. Exercise regularly. Exercise is not only good for your physical health, but it also helps you look younger. Exercise improves blood flow and can help keep your skin looking healthy and youthful. Manage stress. Chronic stress can cause premature aging and make you look older than your age. Try stress-reducing activities like yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises to help you relax and manage stress. In conclusion, looking younger is achievable if you follow these simple tips: protecting your skin from the sun, quitting smoking, getting enough sleep, staying hydrated, eating a healthy diet, exercising regularly, and managing stress can all help you prevent premature aging and look younger for longer. Remember, taking care of your body is essential for both your health and your appearance. Thank you for watching.